Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AcreTrader for land investment account access step by step clearly. Visit the AcreTrader website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Sign In button. You may be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA for security verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the CAPTCHA. After successful login, you will be directed to your account dashboard. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up option to create a new one. Fill in the necessary personal information as prompted. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to complete the registration. After registering, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link. Return to the AcreTrader login page after verifying your email. Enter your credentials again to access your account. Explore your investment options once logged in successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.